Back to Module 6.1, let's take a look at the last bit of Module 6.1 here. Classify a triangle by its sides and angles. So basically, we can classify triangles by its sides. So when we have a triangle that's considered as a scalene triangle, that means it means all three sides are different. Okay, that also represents all three angles within are different as well. So the property here simply says scaling is no two sides have the equal length. Okay, or we can say there's no two angles inside the triangle are equal measurements. All right, isosceles triangles, at least two sides have an equal length. So if I will mark the left side and the right side to be the same length, that means this triangle is a isosceles triangle. All right. So at the same time, I'm also saying these two angles here in the corner, all right, will also be congruent, or will also have a same angle measurement. All right, because the angle that we are looking at associated with the side that's across from it. So this side, R to Q, associate with angle P right here. Side RP associate with this angle Q right here. It's always across from it. All right, equilateral triangle. A lot of students remember equilateral triangle simply means all three sides are congruent or equal length. At the same time, we are also saying all three angles are congruent as well. So besides using sides to classify our triangle, we can also using its angles. So acute triangle, that means all three angles within, okay, are acute angles. Right triangle simply means a triangle with one angle got to be exactly 90 degrees. Therefore, the other two angles, they don't have to be the same. We just know these two angles got to equal to 90 degrees. Because triangle, the angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So if one is 90, the other two got to add up to be the other 90. Therefore, the two 90 together give me triangle 180 degrees. Obtuse triangle simply means one angle within the triangle is greater than 90, okay, lesser than 180. All right, so let's take a look. So if I have a triangle here with three sides are different, okay, that means this got to be a scalene triangle. I'm using the sides to classify this triangle. All right. So if I have a triangle with 30 degree, 42, and the 108 degree, all three going to add up to be 180. Well, that means I'm using angles to classify this triangle. And since one of them is greater than 90, lesser than 180, that means this triangle got to be obtuse triangle. Okay? So just quickly reviewing how we can classify triangles using sides and its angles. So we got 6. So we can basically summarize there are 6 types, 6 different classifications for triangles. Equilateral, isosceles, scaling. We can have acute, obtuse triangle, and the right triangle. These are the most basic 6 classification, okay, of our triangles by its sides or angles. All right, that will conclude this lecture video. Thank you for watching.